Hello guys, I got the Adler Rheinland Hatchet and I've been on a camping trip and I found out when I used it a lot I would get blisters at this part of my hand, so that's not so nice, and it's because of the gripping paint that's on the handle. So in this video I'm going to scrape off the gripping paint with just a small piece of metal. I'm going to treat it with linseed oil, and I hope then I won't get blisters anymore. So first I'm gonna get this thing off. Let's see. And then I'm just going to start scraping the gripping paint off. Let's see. Oh, I see there's green paint below it, so I want to keep this green ring, so I'll just have to keep this edge nice. We'll see. We'll just start scraping. I found out when I pull the piece of metal toward me, it scrapes off the most of the paint. On the bottom of the axe there's a little bit thicker layer of paint, so we'll have to scrape a little bit longer. It's important that you scrape in the direction of the grain, so this way, not this way in this case, because otherwise you'll damage the material. I'm going to keep on scraping this off till the green ring of paint. I think I will have to use some tape so that I won't scrape off the ring of paint, because I like it. I don't know. It gives a nice and foresty look. Taking some duct tape with me. Of course, it's smarter to start at the duct tape edge and pull away from it. Now we'll get the duct tape up and off and see how it looks at first, because maybe I won't even want to keep the green paint. Do we like it? That's the question. Yes, but we've still got a small black edge here. Don't like that, so I'm going to try to get it off really carefully. Yeah. I still like the green paint, but it's a little bit damaged. I think I'm gonna keep it and see if I like it. If I don't like it, I can always scrape it off again. It will get damaged in the wood, of course, but let's keep it on at first. Now I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'm going to put some boiled linseed oil on the handle, let it dry. So I'm gonna clean off the handle first. It's already quite clean, but yes, I've already treated this part with linseed oil. I'm going to treat the bottom part, of course. I've got some boiled linseed oil. We're gonna put a bit on. We've got linseed oil. Let's open it up. You can be generous with linseed oil. And let's just put it on. There can be a thick layer of linseed oil on it. And the most important part is this part, because it will take up a lot of linseed oil. So we'll have to put a little bit more on it. Let it soak for 15 minutes, and then we will wipe it off. It's important to not throw the paper with linseed oil in your bin, because under high pressure linseed oil can generate a exothermic reaction where it gets warm, so you can burn down your house. So you can better put it on fire outside. Okay, so I've let it dry for 15 minutes. Now it's important you get a lint-free towel and you wipe off the excess linseed oil. Wipe it off nicely. Okay. Now, I forgot that we've got a hole in here, and we also have to treat that, of course. So, I've gotten some cotton swab from downstairs to put some linseed oil in this hole. Yeah, just put the cotton swab in the linseed oil and put that in the hole. Just go around the edges a little bit, but not too much then. Okay, we'll also have to let that soak for 15 minutes. And then that is also treated. It's been 15 minutes. It's all dried up now. Or yeah, dried up. It's soaked in. The only thing I've decided to do is clean off this. The linseed oil that came out a little bit around the edges of the hole. Okay, that's all I want to clean up, because the linseed and oil inside the hole will pull inside of the wood eventually. So I've treated my axe. I'm gonna put around this again. I hope now we've got a blister-free hatchet. But we'll see when we're going to use it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Leave a like if you found this video helpful. Subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you guys next time.